Imagine yourself in this 2007 Mazda CX-7 Odd. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include AM/FM stereo, cruise control, power steering, stability control, passenger vanity mirror, variable speed intermittent wipers, and ABS. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.